Let's jump right into it, ladies and gentlemen. It's Santiago Academy, cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, and automation. As Scott had mentioned, we're simply a community of like-minded individuals working together on, cryptocurrency automation. These are my brothers right here, founders and visionaries. Teamwork makes the dream work. We hear it all the time, but that's so true. And over the last 18 months of my career, of my life, that hasn't been realer. These gentlemen that you see on this slide have shown to be real, to be genuine, and to be real leaders. So it's an honor to be running with some of the industry's best. And again, I mean, they don't need any introduction. If you guys are here, you know me, you know them, and we're in good hands with having a foundation of leadership such as these gentlemen right here. The 3 pillars of sustainable business model. Putting this community together, we wanted to first and foremost operate with the utmost integrity. I tell my children all the time, integrity means doing the right thing even when no one is looking, and you have to be integral. You have to be professional when you're in business. I remember one time I went in and I was getting links done, taken off on a bracelet. I had skinny wrists. I mean, I have skinny wrists now, but I went into the mall and went into the jewelry store, and I gave this guy $20 to adjust the link. Well, it cost me like $8 or something like that, less than $10 to get it done. Well, I go out and I go into my car and I'm in the parking lot. Right when I'm about to back up, the guy that just sold me that is behind my car and he's telling me to stop. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? And he's sweating and he hands me my change and my receipt. He said, you forgot your receipt and you forgot your change. I was like, man, you should have kept it. All that running that you did. And he told me one thing that stuck with me my entire life. And he said, any person that is in business that steals from their customer doesn't deserve to be in business. And if they are, they won't be in business much longer. Integrity is the foundation of what I do and what we offer here. We do it the right way. That's definitely something that we value. The value proposition, take away recruiting, take away the chunky affiliate commissions. Do we have value here with this community? And you better believe that we do. And we've already shown that with the community that we have on social media and some of these other platforms that we have. Now, when you add the social aspect to the education that we have, we really do have a very, very powerful product here. And then the profitability, is it affordable? Can we maintain this business model? Can we maintain the community, the education, the platform, paying the commissions? And absolutely, we partner with some of the best back office providers to put this platform together that believe the same thing that we do, that if we give the people what they need, then it's going to be easy for them to continue to come back and enroll as subscribers in our community over an additional 12 months. Okay, so that's what we put together here. You add that with the founders that we have, and it starts to get really exciting. Simple and plain, Santiago Academy is an academy on AI, or artificial intelligence, crypto trading educational community. And the reason why we put education of community is because we're not the brightest. We know how to trade. We know how to use these bots. They're working for us. But we also know that there's many other people within our community that are more knowledgeable than we are. And we welcome everybody in the community. Come with the bots that are working for you. Come with the strategies that are working for you. And as long as they don't compromise what we're about here, we're going to implement all that. Okay. And as I mentioned earlier, we combined cryptocurrency, which is the digital economy that we're upon, automation, being able to have a bot or a system work for you so you're not in front of it all day, every day. Education, knowledge is power. No longer do I want to give my crypto to somebody and hope that he trades it or hope he does this with it. Nah, I think that it's essential, considering where we are and the digital economy that we're in, that we're knowledgeable on what to do and how to do it, and most importantly, having control of that. And then lastly, the social community. There's no power on this planet like people power. Collective consciousness. If you guys were with us with the last build that we did, we built a huge organization in a short period of time because of the community. The vision that was sold was embodied by the members, and then the community that we had and shared collectively was resulted in a huge movement. Well, we preserved that here. This is what we've combined. I've already mentioned it: cryptocurrency, education, and social network. Everything that we're already doing. These are some of the courses. We're going to continue to add more, as well as advanced courses within the next 3 to 6 months. But look, what is Bitcoin? I'm going to show you. We're going to show you guys the back office here shortly so you can see all this. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, the founders and I were discussing this not only earlier, but even on prior calls. Folks, the rabbit hole is infinite. When we talk about currencies, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, strategies. I mean, we can go on till we're blue in the face until we pass out. Now, what we wanted to do here was first and foremost, get you what you can implement immediately to achieve results. So despite we have the educational community and the education, we understand that you guys aren't going to master this education overnight. But at the same time, you want to leverage what works, what we're using. So we're going to show you immediately how to get started with the bot, how to plug the bot in, how to set it up, and how to monitor it using a demo account until you're comfortable to go ahead live with it. But again, this is what we're offering. In addition, as you guys are going to see, live webinars, as I mentioned, every single day from Monday to Sunday. I'm going to be doing them at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Some of the instructors will be doing them as well. And then members within the community that have shown to at least know what they're doing and have the track record will most definitely be implementing that as well and adding some of you guys to this to the webinar sessions that we have here to our schedule. As I mentioned, this is it, 7 days a week. I've committed to 7 days a week. And the reason why is because it's so easy. I look at the charts, roughly 1, 2, 3 times a day and the bot to make sure it's doing what it's doing. Well, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to do that with you guys. So even if you don't understand the modules, guess what? I'll be able to explain it to you. We'll be able to explain it to you. Even if you don't know how to set it up, well, jump on this call because we're going to keep it super simple. We're focusing on one strategy. Everybody is going to be using the same strategy. Everybody will be using the same currency pairs, whether that's Ethereum or Bitcoin and USDT. This is what's working for us. This is the plan that we have. This is what you're following. We'll do it together. And then eventually we can go ahead and add some of the others.